Hi guys, and welcome to my makeup tutorial. I'm taking the IT Cosmetics Luminizer Primer and blending that all over my face with a beauty blender. Next I'm taking Tarte Pro Glow To Go Contour Palette. And then just taking the contour shade as a eyeshadow. Next I'm taking BoxyCharm and Pure's Collab palette, and I'm just taking the dark brown shade in the palette. That on a E36 by Morphe and just putting that in the outer crease. And then blending it out with the M441 brush. And then I'm taking Tarte's highlighter and putting that on my brow bone. I'm also putting it in the inner corners. Next I'm taking the Revolution concealer and putting that in all the places that I want concealed, and then blending it with a beauty blender. And then I'm taking the baking powder and just baking my face. P.S. if I'm doing this wrong, please let me know. And then I'm taking my Tarte Powder in Light and putting that all over my face with the EcoTools brush. Next I'm taking the Tarte Contour and using that to contour my cheekbones. Next I'm taking the highlight shade on an M509 brush and just putting that as my highlight. And then going back with the contour, I'm contouring my nose and highlighting my nose. And the blush that I got in a BoxyCharm box, it's pretty vulgar in the shade Make Them Blush. Then I'm just taking a brown eyeshadow and doing my eyebrows. And then I'm going to curl my lashes and use mascara, Pure Fully Charged Mascara. And that is the end of my video, guys. I hope you all enjoy, and I will see you all soon in my next video. Bye.